Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I'm making one of my favorite hair masks using oats, basil, castor oil, and mint oil. Oats are a great ally in beauty rituals as they contain vitamins and minerals such as calcium, potassium, and magnesium, as well as protein, which is highly beneficial for hair. Basil contains beta-sitosterol, a compound believed to counteract the effects of DHT, a hormone linked to hereditary hair loss. Bay leaves also stimulate blood circulation and encourage hair follicles to remain active. Apply this hair mask for 30 minutes with a shower cap. Before your shampoo, for best results, use 2 times per week.